thunder and rhythm. All connects to all. Everything builds upon everything. We're all leaves in an ageless storm. We all seek beauty, and we all link each to each. Rain and dew. There is beauty in the rain, grandeur in the dew. The things we lose and gain are known by the wind. The sea gathers our tears. The stars witness our sighs. All things contain the cosmos. All skies are built of atoms. So, treasure every slightest second. Cherish each fraction of each moment. And remember that all being is contained in your smallest frown.